also a parent and hardworking mom. Today's topic is one of the most unusual but fascinating topics about life, love, and relationship in the Philippines. The title sounds wild, doesn't it? The rainy season is the mating season in the Philippines. Now, you might be laughing or maybe scratching your head, but stick around because what you'll hear in this video will completely change how you see culture, romance, and human behavior in this tropical country. Foreigners think the rainy season is all about storms, umbrellas, and floods. But for many Filipinas, it is also the season of romance, intimacy, and even mating. Let's break this down. The Philippines has only two seasons: dry summer, hot beach weather, and rainy wet, moody, and cozy. Rain changes everything: transport slows, nightlife shifts indoors, families huddle, and couples look for comfort. Science shows rainy weather increases dopamine and oxytocin cravings. People long for companionship. In the provinces, power outages and rain showers force people to entertain themselves in very primal ways. In other words, the rainy season equals cuddle season and intimacy spikes. Cultural beliefs. Rain is seen as a blessing from above, even symbolic of fertility. Music and movies. Countless Filipino love songs and teleseries set romance scenes in the rain. Practical reality. When you're stuck inside, time is filled with storytelling, karaoke, or intimacy. Foreigners' mistakes. They think dating is about beaches and sunshine. But many Filipinas feel most romantic when it's pouring outside. Rain brings out vulnerability, caretaking, and closeness perfect for forming or strengthening relationships. Hot weather equals exhaustion's irritability. Cool, rainy nights equals cozy blankets, candlelight, and yes, passion. Rainy season correlates with higher conception rates in many tropical countries. This isn't just cultural, it's biological. Rural Philippines sees baby booms about 9 months after typhoon season. Foreigners often joke, no Netflix, no Wi Fi, just nature, and babies are made. Many foreigners don't understand why Filipino partners suddenly become more clingy, moody, or passionate in rainy months. The rainy season exposes relationships. Some couples grow closer, others break up from cabin fever and drama. Don't underestimate the power of rain. It's not just weather, it's a love drug in the Philippines. If you want to bond with your Filipino partner, rainy season is the ultimate time. Warm food, conversations, physical closeness, and emotional bonding. The rainy season is symbolic. It washes away illusions, it forces closeness, it reveals true compatibility. This is why many foreigner Filipino relationships either bloom or collapse during these months. To put it bluntly, if you survive one rainy season together, you've got a real relationship. So when I say the rainy season is the mating season in the Philippines, it's not just clickbait, it's truth, cultural, biological, and emotional. Rain changes the tempo of life here, and with it, the tempo of love. Foreigners might see the floods, storms, and wet shoes, but Filipinas, they see an opportunity for warmth, closeness, and intimacy. So next time you're in the Philippines and the first monsoon rains start falling, don't just grab an umbrella, grab the lesson. Because in the land of 7,000 islands, when it rains, it definitely pours, especially in love. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. We are family. See you next episode.